Vanakkam and good evening, sir. So this is Leela Mohan. I am a SAP SCM project lead. So today we are going to discuss about LSMW and fast entry. So what is the difference between LSMW and fast entry? So in our real time, how to use LSMW? What is the benefit of LSMW? Sir, LSMW is nothing but where we can upload a number of employees. Let's say, for example, membership fee. So, what does mean membership fee? Membership fee is nothing but LIC, and PLI and thrift society. There are a number of pay components comes under membership fee. So, in this membership fee, let's say we will take one location. In that location, if we have almost 1,500 or 2,500 employees, yet at a time, if you want to change all employees, or if you want to upload, if you want to create all employees master data individual, it will take a lot of time. Also, it is not at all possible. So in that case, we are going to use LSMW. LSMW is nothing but in single shot, in single transaction, we can upload entire even 1,000 or 2,000, more than 10,000 employees also at single Excel sheet. We can upload and we can maintain the data. So now we will go to SAP system. Then I will show you how to use LSMW. Not only membership fees, sir, there are a number of pay components, there are a number of info types. LSMW will be used info type level. So why I am saying info type level? Sir, in info type level, let's say for example in membership fee. Under membership fee, we have LIC, we have PLI, thrift society, and there are many pay components comes under membership fee. So one single LSMW can upload multiple waste types, single yet multiple waste types. So same way, InfoType 14, InfoType 15, InfoType 45, loans, membership, 2001, absences, everything can be done through LSMW. First, we will see membership fee, how to upload. So now let's go to SAP system. So this is the transaction code, sir. So this is nothing but LSMW is nothing but transaction code. Shortcut name is T code. So what does mean LSMW? What does mean LSMW? LSMW is nothing but legacy system migration workbench. Legacy system migration workbench. So now let's take membership fee. Membership fee mass upload. We will call as a mass upload for all employees. So step one, go to T code LSMW. So now go to SAP system. Mm, LSMW. So this is the one. So here always first, what is our submodule, sir? Submodule is nothing but SAP SCM, and submodule is nothing but SAP HCM. SAP HCM project SAP HCM, and next membership fee comes under SAP SCM. We have 4 submodels, right? 4 submodels: PA, OM, time, payroll. So now membership fee comes under payroll, right? That is the amount we are deducting from the employee. So that is the amount. So in that case, we need to select payroll. Sub-project is payroll. Sub-project payroll. So now next. So what is that under this payroll? What is there? So what is? So we need to select here membership fee. So this is the one. This is the one. Membership fee. Object would be, this is the one. So always we need to select, this is the one. Object is, this is the one. So this is actually, it is not required. So now let's take info type IT 57 member main minus, I mean main amount plus number. Amount plus number. Now let's go to how to upload. So now we know SAP SCM, payroll, membership fee, these are all things. But what is the format? What is the format? So now I will tell you simple way how to identify format, or you can keep it throughout, throughout our lifetime. We are going to use single format. Single format. So now what we need to do? We have selected. Now we need to execute. Now click on execute. So this screen will appear. See, LSM workbench. This screen will appear. So header is, our project is SAP SCM, under sub project payroll, and this is the object 57 main amount plus number. So this is the one. So now if we have the format, normally format will be where we are going to maintain. Format will be maintained in Excel sheet. Format will be always will be maintained in Excel sheet. As of now, I don't know this format. Let's say for example, someone came in new, he doesn't know that how to identify. Then this is the one, third button. Click on this, define source fields. Click on third one, define source fields, and click on execute. Click on execute. See, these are all things is there. This is the sequence. Parcel number, in front of wherever you see in enter LSMW, if it is mentioned with 0057 means that is the hard code, sir. Simply you can maintain hard code. And start date, end date, and same of subtype. And same of subtype is nothing but this subtype and this subtype both should be the same. And is membership fee amount. This is nothing but fee is nothing but amount. This is the number, a membership number. Membership number. This is the maximum length. Now I will tell you how to maintain. How to maintain. Now select, sir, if you want control Y, it will come like this. Then control C. Or there is one shortcut, quick. See, quick custom paste, which means instead of, if we select this, it is not coming. Right tick mark, and if it is not coming. Now if you want single shot, quick and paste, this will be highlighted with black. So which means it is activated. Quick cut and paste is activated. So now what we need to do? I have selected this. Mouse right tick mark and drag it. Mouse right tick mark and drag it. So then select this, paste it here, Control V, Control V. Now we again make it horizontal, copy. This is the way. So now we got it. Same way, maximum length. We need to know maximum length, right? This is the one. Maximum length also same. Copy. This is the one. Simple. This is the format. So now we found it, format. Now we found format throughout our till SAP we are using, we are going to use same format. So now personal number. So now I am going to take here mass personal number, mass personal number. So now almost I have how many employees are there as of now? Let's take 57, sorry 47. So now I want to upload 47 employees. So this is the format, sir. This is the format. For more clarification, I am going to make the Zoom personal number. This is the always 57. What does means? What does mean subtype? Subtype is nothing but, now let's go to PA 30, or you can new window, go to PA 30, go to PA 30. Now select this employee 57. Membership fee info type is nothing but 57. Info type 0057. 0057. Let me reduce this. 57. So now if you see here, subtype is there. So what does mean subtype? This is the subtype. This is the shortcut STY subtype. So now I want to upload. There are a number of things are available. So now I want to upload LIC. For example, LIC, this is the one. I want to upload at a time. This is the one. For example, I am going to take. This is the one. So as I told you earlier, once you select 57, whatever waste types are available in 57, we can upload in single shot. In single shot. Now I want to upload, for example, thrift society, thrift or SPFG. For example, SPFG or PLI, this is the one. Or I want to make it, let's take randomly, this is the one. Same. In single shot, sir. I am just taking one example. I am just taking one example. Thrift society, 3G. So this is the one. So next, always should be same 57. So next, what does mean start date? Start date is nothing but from which day onwards you are going to deduct this waste type, LIC or thrift society, from which day onwards you are going to deduct. Now I am going to take here randomly 0101 2021 2021, and end date always should be 31st 12/99. If you know from when it is going to end, you can maintain. Otherwise you can give end date 31st 12/999. Then this is nothing but this one, same of subtype, right? Amount 1000 rupees I am going to maintain. So number, and number I will maintain LIC or some number ABCD 1 2 3 4 5. This is the one. So now let's make, now let's make, this is the one, right? Now I will make this one. Yes, amount I am going to give different number, different amount. So this is also, I will make it different. So format is successfully completed. So now format we have maintained. So same format is applicable for whenever, if new step will be created in after 2 years or after 1 year or whenever, if new step is going to create under membership fee, same way we are going to use same pattern, same format we are going to use. Okay, so now we have maintained that format in Excel sheet. Now what we need to do, we need to copy this Excel sheet data and we'll need to put it in Notepad. We need to put it in Notepad. So now let's go to Notepad and we'll show you. So now what we need to do, we need to select, we should not select these two headers, sir. We need to select only this content only. So now copy